Alrighty. We're starting this video off in Quincy, California. Did you know Quincy started off as a gold rush town? Not sure if it's abandoned or if it's occupied, but I mean, who would occupy it? Like, all the way over here. So, we were just along the road, and this is an abandoned resort.
Johnny, look in the back, does it say I Die Resort?
I'm pretty sure it does. Oh. Got it!
That's really scary. Can you check on your dad? He's going back there.
Johnny, does it say I Die
I
Resort?
tried looking to see what was inside, but it looks like this used to be for cars, because there was a road down there and it says for Keddie Resort.
It says I Die Resort, right?
It says I Die Resort.
Huh?
Holy smokes, that is creepy, guys.
Mommy says I Die Resort.
That is really creepy. Holy smokes, this is scary, guys. Honey. Let's go see.
You open this. You can open it.
Holy smokes.
You can open that door.
If you guys want to see more videos of this, I don't know if I've said this before, but like if we're us visiting abandoned places, I'll drop the link down below on the places that we've gone to, and we will just explore them. And if you guys like this content, just drop a like and comment if you like this content, and I can do more of this for you guys. But this was just supposed to be an adventure, and we ended up going to an abandoned resort. Alrighty, before I start this clip, a little background information. This is a restroom, and there was a bunch of trash in it. And we heard 2 knocks as I was recording, but you can't really hear it as well. I'll try to make you guys hear it. But when we heard the knocks, we got so scared that we ran. This is just the outside. That scare brought a big appetite. That's why we came to the Polka Dot Frosties. This is a great place to eat, and it was just between Quincy and Portola. As you guys can tell, they had an abundance of items on their menu. They had a little stream behind in the patio area, and I did this little quick time lapse while we were waiting for our food. This was a much more faster stream, and I had to hold down the GoPro with my hands because of how fast the water was traveling. Yay! Our food arrived after all this day waiting. It felt like an eternity waiting for it, but it finally arrived and it was actually pretty good.